Tables can have many thousands of rows, so filters are a really useful way of finding the information you want. A filter can be very straightforward because you could just select the data you're interested in and then filter by that selection, which would find any similar rows that you've got in your database or rows with matching entries in that column. You can make them much more complicated than that though, so you could go on to say I want to find information between a particular range of dates, or add increasing complexity and say something like I'm interested in orders which were in New York before the 15th of January or any orders that were in Paris after the 12th of March. So you can add quite complex logic into there. If you want to save that, then you can save it as a query, and we'll go on to do that later on. Another thing I want to discuss now though is reports. Reports are a great way of presenting your data because they give a really nice output format for that data and a nice look and feel to that data, and they look great when printed. But they have a functional use as well because they're really useful to summarize information. So I don't just want all of my orders listed individually. I want each of my orders by employee. So I want a particular employee's orders and the total at the end. And then I want the employee's orders by month. So I want it summarized by month and by employee, and at the end I want it summarized for the grand total. And a report is a very straightforward way of creating that. So now what we're going to do is have a look at using filters to find the information you want in your tables in Access.